Getting the jib on the walls is one of those immensely satisfying stages of the build. It's where it turns from this timber framing that you've been looking at for months to all of a sudden there's a wall that you can touch. Hey, I'm Josh, a builder here in Wellington, New Zealand, and the video you're about to watch is something we've put together to show my personal experience of building, but using it to give you an example of what you can expect when you go through the building process yourself. Back to the video. I've got the plasterer arriving tomorrow morning, Monday, and I didn't want to lose that slot, so I have worked 6 days and 2 nights to get this house ready for the plasterer to arrive. This is our lounge over here, this is our kitchen here. So this room here will be the second lounge. We have paint on the walls, doors, skirtings, architraves. Painters are just finishing up now, and we will have reached another milestone on the section nobody wanted. We are dropping the scaffold. And of course the day we plan to do this, it starts to rain. Painting is all complete and the Sparkies have finished a lot of their work, so the very next step is hard flooring. So that includes a wooden overlay that we have purchased, and it also includes tiles.
Production levels and everything on shows like that, really similar in terms of just
There's 6 of us on site and we are going hard installing tiles and flooring. We have 900 meters of this beach overlay to go down. It seems like most videos these days are brought to you by Squarespace. This one's brought to you by your place. Basically, I run a building company here in Wellington. If you're thinking of building, hit us up. We would love to take on your project. Anyway, back to the video. We've got tiles. After months of toiling away, we're finally at the stage where this house is starting to come together. Light switches. You can turn them around and angle them where you want them. Pretty cool. This is my garage. It's Tuesday afternoon and we are in the stairwell today putting on the white faces. I've also got the kitchen guys coming, we've got some flooring going down. It's all happening today. We've got the digger driver, got a couple of builders inside, got some boys downstairs doing a deck. Everything that you've been planning and working towards is starting to come together. A car goes here. Heat pump's getting installed.
Get up and on. Make sure you use the right kind of silicone.
Yeah. Perfect cut.
You're not going to try doing it?
Just finished the fireplace area. Tilers are coming in 2 hours. finishing this area here represents the last building job inside, and then we can start putting things up, art on the walls, shelves up, get some more furniture and get rid of all the boxes, etc.